Okay, so I've run this in water through the filters for several gallons now. Probably, I'm going to say maybe 10 minutes or so. And so it might have even been longer than that. I'm just going to go ahead and pour water now. And this first one is filtered. And we should get more accurate readings of what the Spartan will do for the water at this point. I'm going to move up to 1 while the meters here are settling down. And then move up to 2. Well, I'm waiting for 2 to kind of get a little oriented. The TDS, total dissolved solids, on this is 175. So actually very similar to the total dissolved solids prior. But the readings are quite different. This is 9.7 pH and a 0.48 ORP, which is probably a pretty good. I mean, that's for no ionization.
Positive.
Yeah, didn't I say that?
You said point.
Well, positive point, or positive 5.3 ORP. So sorry, and a 9.7 pH. All right. So now I've got level 1 sitting right here. I'm going to go ahead and move these over. Level 2, I'm going to go ahead and pour. I'm going to continue pouring as I go. All right. TDS on level 1, level 1 is 182, a little higher than just filtered. Let's take a look at what the pH and ORP is. That's interesting. Pretty high pH though. 10.2 and then a negative 163. Okay. Move it over to level. This is level 2. While it's settling down on level 2, I'll pour level 3. Alright, let's see what the TDS meter says. And I don't know if this is wasting my time just putting it up to the camera here. 198. Oops. You can read that or not. 190. So sorry. 190. And the pH and ORP for level 2 are 10.7 and a negative 400. That's been settling down for quite a while, huh? But it seems to be, maybe I stirred it or something. Oops. Oh well. Next time I'll get the ORP reading before I get the TDS reading, because that then wouldn't stir the water around and ruin my ORP reading. So that's level 4. I just poured. I'm going to pour some acidic water too, and then turn this off. So this is coming in a little bit higher readings than what I was expecting actually, and I could just have too high a booster setting on my Athena. I can't really remember. I thought I had it on just 3, but maybe somebody reset it on something else. Alright, so that's 10.7 pH with a negative 535-ish. That's at level 2. And level 3. Now I already poured level 4. I'm just going to go back to purified and just try to see once more if purified is, what the pH on the purified is. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. Alright, so this is level 3. It's been sitting in here for a while. and it is 10.9 pH with a negative, looks like it's going to get up to negative 600 here, something like that. Yeah, so it's over negative 600, whatever it ends up being, it's somewhere around there. Actually, isn't that going up pretty fast still? Now, did I touch that cup or stir it, or is it just taking that long? I guess it's just taking that long to settle down. It looks like it's gonna get up to negative 700, so that's why I'm letting it sit here for just a little bit longer. But it looks like, actually it might even, no, it's fine. It probably will get up to negative 700, but I'm not going to sit here and wait for it. So I'll just say negative 665 and 10.9 pH. Okay. Let's wait till that turns to 5. There you go. Alright, so now up to level 4. And let that settle down a little bit. Oh, did I get the TDS reading on that? Level 3? Oh well. I suppose it doesn't really matter. I'll get the TDS for level 4. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll just move it now. While we're waiting for the readings here, for the ORP readings to settle down, maybe I'll just look, see what the TDS says. It says 210. Alright, so if you can see it, good. If not, okay. Now, this is probably going to get over negative 800. I'm probably not going to wait it out. But it looks like an 11.1 pH, and I think I just moved my probe accidentally, making it have to go backwards just a tad. But I'll just call this pretty soon negative 700 something or other. Say negative 740 pH, which is, you know, fantastic. I mean ORP, sorry, not pH. Alright, so let's just take a look and see what the TDS is for this. And unfortunately my lighting is not too good in here. 220 total dissolved solids. And now let's just turn my ORP meter off, move these probes over, and the total dissolved solids for the acidic water is 227-ish, and then the pH for the acidic water is which one of these meters is pH and which one is ORP? This one's pH. So I don't have any of that low acid water. I guess I accidentally threw it out. Alright, well it's down in the 2s, so wherever it ends up, I'm not going to wait forever for it, but it is under 3, which is good. So I just want to take a look though at my booster setting. The way you can take a look and see what your booster setting is set at, just push that purified button, and it's set at 3, which is right in the middle. But if I was just getting started on drinking ionized water, in St. Louis water, I would go ahead and set my booster setting at 1, because otherwise, you know, as you can see, the alkalinity and everything is all very strong, so possibly too strong for a newcomer. Alright, and I do have this purified water. I just took another sampling of purified water just to see. Hold on. Okay, I'm just going to pull all these probes over. And let's take a look at the total dissolved solids. Alright, total dissolved solids is 178, which sounds the same as the other. And the pH is coming in awful low, lower than what I would expect. Hold on. No, that's the ORP meter. Dang, these wires get all mixed up. Let's see if my pH meter is reading right. Okay. Yeah, it's, you know, for filtered water it's coming at 9.2. Now that's through all these filters coming in 9.2. That's a little surprising to me. I'm just going to do one more little test. And that's just my plain old tap water here. And I'm just, so this is just coming through all the filters in at 9.3 pH, negative 47. And the total dissolved solids is 178, okay? I'm just going to put it in the unfiltered, just plain St. Louis tap water, and see what we get. And because I know St. Louis water comes in pretty high alkaline. So I have to find which one is my pH. Here it is. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So I'll read total dissolved solids first here. So it's total dissolved solids 165. Isn't that interesting? So going through all of the filters, it's picking up a little tiny bit of solids. Probably maybe calcium from the filters or something. Alright, and then the ORP is a positive 141, and that is a high, you know, a worse ORP, but actually not too bad. 141. A lot of municipalities have like a positive 300, so that's not too bad. And then 9.6 pH is what the St. Louis water, and it's just out of the tap. So a lot of people don't believe that, but that is true. If you go on the St. Louis City or St. Louis County Municipal Water Quality Report, they will basically confirm that the St. Louis water does come in at that pH. So okay, I think we've learned something or other. I'll put it all together in my blog and you can read about it.